Hey guys, welcome to another Untamed Fishing Adventures episode. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a cost-efficient planer board. You know, planer boards can run you $40, $50, $60 for a pair. So today, I'm going to show you how to make it happen for $10, $15 at the most. So in the description below, we'll have everything listed that you need to get down there and order and have all these products sent to your door. Alright guys, all you need to build these planer boards is an 8x2 styrofoam block, an eye bolt, nuts and washers, a line clip, 2 zip ties, 8x10 Lexan, a clevis, and a split ring. Wow, that's amazing. We're going to start with the build. So what you want to start with is your piece of styrofoam and your Lexan. And what I like to do, I like to just go ahead and lay them up there, make them flush with the back side of the planer board, or the Lexan, whatever you want to call it, and then hold them down real good and tight and come on this side of the board, get you a marker. So you're going to need a place for your eye bolt, which is going to be right directly beside the styrofoam. So we'll put us a mark there. And then you're going to need a place for 2 zip ties to go in there as well. So we'll put one about right here and one about right here. And we're going to make this a right planer board, and we'll go ahead and make a spot right here down in the bottom corner across from the eye bolt, and we'll make us another hole right there, and that's where our clevis and O-ring will go. Alright guys, we got our holes drilled into our Lexan. Now what we're going to do, we're just going to start putting it together, and we're going to turn this thing into a planer board. So I'll just go ahead and start with my styrofoam. I'll just lay them up here like before, guys. Just make it real good and flush back here in the back of the planer board where it's good and even. Get your zip tie. Just run them through. So you kind of want this to end up on the top or on the back side so it don't mess with your line, because this is a sharp edge once you cut the zip tie off. See, that at least it's not very sharp, but I still don't like it in the way. So we're going to go ahead, now that we've got our styrofoam on the planer board, we're going ahead and install our eye bolt. So you want to put your bolt on there first, get him threaded up there. I'd say about an inch or so. Just put your washer right after that, and then your eye bolt is going to go up here next to the styrofoam. So just go ahead and push him through there, come down here to the bottom, another washer and another bolt, a nice couple two. Once you got that, we got our eye bolt on there now, and I kind of like him facing the eye bolt. I kind of like him facing vertical instead of horizontal. So once we get our eye bolt on there, we're going to put our line clip, we're going to install it. Just take your split O-ring, run it right over that eye bolt. Just run him on there. Get him on there nice and snug. That's got our line clip. Last but not least, you want your clevis and your split O-ring to go down here on the bottom corner. And once you get that on there, this is your line guide. And once you get that on there, guys, that is a completed trolling planer board. Okay guys, so we got our right planer board made. Now all we're going to do is get our other Lexan, get our other styrofoam, and we're going to make a left trolling planer board. We've got a mark here and a mark here for a right trolling planer board. So all we're going to do is we're just going to reverse that. So our clevis and split O-ring will go down here to make a left trolling planer board, and our eye bolt is going to go up here, and that's where our line will be held while we're trolling. And then 2 zip ties to hold your styrofoam on there. Guys, just like that, in about 10 10 minutes, I've already got 2 planer boards that'll troll on both sides of the boat. Well, there you have it, folks. I mean, I've got 4 boards here. In less than 15 minutes, I had these put together. Super easy and very effective planer board. Make sure you tune in and subscribe to our channel, because in the next video series, we're going to show you guys how these work. You could probably make a smaller size for crappie. This may be a little larger for crappie, but we're going to put them to the test in a few weeks over at Lake Wise in Alabama. Hopefully, guys, you get out there and make your own planer boards. Now all we got to do is just add some UFA stickers to these, deck them out, and make them look nice and pretty. And they're ready for the water, guys. So stay tuned. Make sure you keep your eye out for the next video. We'll show you how these work. Thanks for watching, guys.